The fundamentals why tiny changes make a big difference. The surprising power of tiny habits. Small, consistent improvements compound into remarkable long-term results. Habits are like compound interest. Tiny changes seem significant in the moment but can transform your life over time. Focus on getting 1% better every day. How your habits shape your identity, and vice versa. The most powerful way to change your behavior is to change your identity, who you believe you are. Outcome stems from processes, and processes stem from identity. Build habits that reinforce the identity you want. Example, I want a healthy person. How to build better habits in 4 simple steps. Every habit follows a 4-part loop: cure, craving, response, and reward. To change habits, you must understand this mechanics. This model forms the foundation for the 4 laws of behavior change. The first law, make it obvious. The man who didn't look right, your brain is constantly predicting and noticing cues, even subconsciously. Awareness is the first step in habit change. You can change what you don't notice. Use a habit scorecard to identify your current habits. The best way to start a new habit. Use implementation intentions. Clearly plan when and where a habit will happen. I will do X at Y time in the Z place. Habit structuring. Adding a new habit on to an existing one makes starting easier. Motivation is overrated. Environment often mirrors more. Environment shapes behavior more than motivation. Make a choice of good habits obvious and visible. Design your space so the right behaviors are encouraged naturally. The secret to self-control. Self-control is easier when you avoid temptation altogether. Reduce exposure to cues of bad habits. Don't rely on willpower alone. Remove triggers instead of fighting them. The second law, make it attractive. How to make a habit irresistible. Habits become more attractive when tied to dopamine driving craving. Using temptation bundling, pair something you want with something you should do. Reframe habits to see their benefits, not burdens. The role of family and friends in shaping your habits. We imitate people around us, the close, the many, and the powerful. Surrounding yourself with people who embody your desired habits make change easier. How to find and fix the causes of your bad habit. Every habit has a motive behind it. Identify the underlying craving and replace the bad habit with a healthier response that satisfies the same need. The third law, make it easy. Walk slowly but never backward. Mastery requires repetition, not perfection. Focus on taking action in even small steps. Motion planning does not equal action doing. The law of last effort. People naturally choose the easiest option, reduce friction for good habits and increase friction for bad ones. Convenience drives behavior. How to stop procrastinating with the 2 minutes rule. Make habits so easy. You can start them with 2 minutes. Scrolling habits down, remove resistance, and build momentum. How to make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible. Use commitment device to lock in future behavior like removing junk food or using automated systems. Modify your environment so good behavior becomes the default. The fourth law, make it satisfying. The cardinal rule of behavior change. A behavior needs to be immediately satisfied to start. We repeat what feels good right away. reinforce good habits with instant reward. How to stick with good habits every day. Use habit tracking to create a visual cue and sense of satisfaction. Never miss twice. Slips happen, but recover immediately. How an accountability partner can change everything. We perform better when someone is watching. Social results and accountability increase the cost of bad habits and reinforce good ones. Advanced tactics: how to go from good to great. The truth about talents: genes determine your strengths, but habit determines how far you go with those strengths. Find habits that match your natural ability for maximum benefit. The Goldilocks rule: stay motivated in life and work. Humans stay most motivated when working on tasks that are not too easy and not too hard, just right. Aim for challenges that keeps you engaged but not overwhelmed. The downside of creating good habits. Habits can make you blind to improvement because you fall into automatic routines. Regularly review and adjust your habits to avoid stagnation. So in conclusion, the secret to results that last. Habit provides the long-term advantage because they create self-reinforcing systems. Tiny improvements repeated lead to extraordinary outcomes. Real change is not about big shift, but consistent small action aligned with your identity.